Hello everyone, welcome to Newton Spectra Extramural Academy channel. This channel is created to assist the elementary and the secondary school students in learning various concepts in basic mathematics, physics and other science related subjects. In today's video, we are going to be solving and explaining in details mathematics past questions of different year. This is to assist and prepare your child for the forthcoming examination, be it National Common Entrance Examination or several schools examination across the country. So if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, like, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to press the notification button to see every new video we'll be dropping on this channel. So let's get started.
$20,110 in words. Now, before we express this number in words, we need to consider the place value of each number here. And what are the place values? 0 is unit, 1 is 10, 1 is 100, 0 is 1000, 0 is 1000, and 2 is tens of thousand. Tens of thousand. Now, let's write this in one. This will be 20,000, 100, 110. 20,110. Find the average of 124, 108, 191, 128, and 109. Find the average of 124, 108, 191, 128, and 109. Now, the first thing we need to do is to count the numbers given to us. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're given 5 numbers. Then, the next thing we need to do is to sum up all the numbers given to us. And this includes 124, 108, 191, 128, 109. So let's add up the number 4 plus 8, that's 12, 13. This will give us 21 plus 9, that will give us 30. Right, our 0 will keep our 3. 3 plus 2, 5, 14, 16. Right, your 6, keep your 1. 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our final answer is what? 660. Now the average, to find the average of the number now, we say 660 divided by how many numbers given to us? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Divided by 5. 660 divided by 5. Let's take our long division. Using our long division, 660 divided by 5. 5 in 6, that will give us what? 1. 1 times 5, 5. We subtract, bring this down. 0, 6, bring it down. 6 minus 5, that will give us 1. 5 can go in 60 how many times? 3. 3 times 5, 15. Bring your 0 down. 6 minus 5, 1, 0. 5 can go in 10 how many times? 2. 2 times 5, that's 10. You subtract 0, 0. So, therefore, our average is equal to 132. That is our average. So, divide 480.480 by 12. Now, we use our long division, 480.480. And dividing by what? By 12. Using our long division, 12 can go in 48. How many times? 4. 4 times 12, that will give me 48. I subtract, bring this down. The number we are bringing down now are decimal number. Any number after decimal points are called decimal number. So we go 84.00. Now, 12 in 0 is not possible. Put your point here. 12 in 0 is not possible. Write your 0 here. 12 in 48 is 4 again. 4 times 12, that's 48. Now we subtract 0, 0. Therefore, 48.48 divided by what? By 12 equals to 4.04. That is the Now, to find Q, we need to adopt our what? Our Bodmer's rule. What does the Bodmer's rule say? Bodmer's rule says that when you have what? An expression like this, you need to what? Follow the rules. The first thing is what? Is parentheses or brackets. You need to consider the word the bracket. Now we are given the word the bracket. You need to open the bracket with the number outside. Then followed by exponential of, followed by division, followed by multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Now we are starting with what? With brackets. You need to open the bracket. So we say 2 times 3 plus 2 times q equals to what? 18. Now 2 times 3 is 6 plus 2q equals to what? 18. Now the next thing you need to do is to what? To collect the like times. Collect the like times. And how are we going to collect the like times? This 6 is standing alone. It doesn't have any alphabet. We can name this one rice. This 2 is having what? Alphabet. This alphabet is called what? Variable. Why the 2 is called coefficient? Now, this we call it beans. Equality sign, and we have our what? Our rice again. So let's collect rice together and let's collect beans together. So let's go. We have 2q equals to 18 minus 6. Now, why are we having minus? There is a rule that says that when plus cross the border of equality sign, it changes to minus, and when minus cross the border of equality signs, it changes to what? Change to plus. So this 6 here is having plus before on same operation. So when it crosses this border, it changes to what? Minus. That's why we're having minus 6 here. So 18 minus 6 will give us what? 12. The next thing we need to do is to what? Divide both sides by 12. You say divide both sides by 2. So the next thing we need to say is to divide both sides by what? By 2. So we have 2q divided by 2 equals to 12 divided by 2. 2 cancel out 2 here. 2 here is 6, 2 here is 1. So q equals to what? 6. That's our final answer for what? For q. What is the simple interest on 500 naira? That's my principal. For 5 years, that's the time. At the rate of 5%, per annum. Now, this question is talking about what? An investment, which has to do with what? With money. So when you save your money for some time, you are expected to what? To receive an interest on your money, or you borrow someone your money, you can request for an interest based on the time interval the person want to use your money. Now, this question says we should find what the simple interest. To find the simple interest, we use our formula. Simple interest equals to what? PRT, everything over what? 100. The rate is 5%, so percentage means what? 100. That's why we're having what? Over 100. So my P now is what? Is 500 times my rate is what? 5 over 100 times my time is also what? Is also 5. So I can reduce this number here. I can reduce it here. So I'll be having 5 times 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. So 25 times 5 will give me 125. 125 naira. That is my what? My simple interest. Now, to solve this question now, the first thing we need to do is to sum up all the total ratio. Now, the total ratio is going to give us 3 plus 3 plus 4, and that will give us what? 10. 10 is what? The total ratio. Now, the question now says, out of 500 oranges, what is the share of Musa? How many oranges is Musa going to be what? Having with him? So now, we need to what? Divide Musa's share by the total what? Total share. Musa's share divided by the total share times the number of what? The orange. So we have 500 oranges. So we can reduce our number here. So we are having 4 times 50 left. So 4 times 50, what is that going to give us? 4 times 50 is going to give me 200. So therefore, Musa's share is 200 oranges. Find the value of 2 raised to the power 3 times 3 raised to the power 2 times 7 raised to the power 1. So 2 raised to the power 3 means 2 times 2 times 2. 3 raised to the power 2 means 3 in 3 places. 3 in 2 places, that are 3 times 3 times 7 raised to the power 1 still means what? 7. Now let's multiply this together. So 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 3. 8 in 3 places, that's 24. 24. 8 in 3 places, that's 24. 24 times 3. This is 12. 72. And 72 times 7. 72 times 7 will be, this is 14. 49 plus 1, that's, so everything here is going to give me 504. That will be the value of what? 2 raised to the power 3 times 3 raised to the power 2 times 7 raised to the power 1. Has to find what? The total articles that Jide's mother bought from the market. Now, what is dozen? Dozen means 12. 12 pieces. Dozen means what? 12 pieces. Means 12 pieces. Now, if Jide's mother bought 3 dozen, that means we are going to multiply our what? Our 12 by what? By 3. And that will give us 36 cups. And Jide's mother bought what? 36 cups. 36 cups is 3 dozens. Now, 1.5 gross. 1.5 gross now. 1 gross. A gross now, a gross is 144. You need to take note of that. A gross is 144. But here we are having 1.5 gross. That means we need to add half of 144, which is 72. Half of 144 is 72. 2 in 14, that's 7. 2 in 4, that's 2. We're having 72. So we add up our what? Our 144. 144 plus 72. What will it give us? This is 6. This is 21. So we are having 216 plates. 216 what? Plates. Now let's add up 36 cups plus 216 plates to find the total articles that Jide's mother bought from the market. So add up our what? Our articles. That will be 216 plus 36. Now let's add up our value. 6 plus 6, that is 12. Keep my 1. 1 plus 1, that's 2. Plus 3, that's 5. And 2. So I say, therefore, Jide's mother bought 252 articles from the market. Simplify 2 whole number 5 over 21 plus 3 whole number 1 over 7. Now this question is called a mixed fraction. This is a mixed fraction with different denominator. So we have different methods in which we can use to solve this question. We have like 3 to 4 methods. I'm going to use one of these methods, and in our next video I'm going to talk about this in details. Now I'm using this method 2 plus 3, 5 over 21 plus 1 over 7. 2 plus 3 will give me 5. So I have my what? My number. This number here, they are different, so I need to find the what? The LCM. 7, 21. 7 can go in 7, 1, in 21, 3, 3 in 3, 1, 1. So my LCM here is 3 times 7, which will give me what? 21. So 21 is my LCM. So I bring my LCM here, 21. 21 in 21 is 1, 1 times 5 is 5. 7 in 21 is 3, 3 times 1 is 3. So therefore, my final answer will be what? 5 whole number 8 over 21. 5 whole number 8/21. That is my answer for number 9. Number 10 question says, what is the sum? What is the sum of 0. The sum of 0.349, 5.246, 3.2 and 8.41. What is the sum of 0.349, 5.243, and 3.2 and 8.41? The sum means addition. When you hear the sum means what? Addition. So we sum up this number 0.349 plus 5.246 plus 3.2 plus 8.41. We have the number of, you can balance this place up with the 0. 9 plus 6, that will give me 15. 5, 9, 10. 4, 6, 8, 12. Move your 1 here. Put your point here. 6, 9, 17. So, students score 80% in arithmetic test. If the total mark is 240, how many marks did he score? Now, when you add your 80%, 80% means 80 over what? 100 times the total score, which is 240. You simplify this by reducing the number, so you have 8 times 24. So when you have your what? Your 24 times 8 now is going to give us, this will give us 32. That's 16 plus this, that's 19. That's called, therefore, the voice mark is 192 marks. The perimeter of this diagram, this shape now is called pentagon. Any shape with 5 sides, 5 corners is called pentagon. Now, we want to find the perimeter. We all know that the perimeter of a shape is the sum of all the sides of the shape. So we can name this place to be A, B, C, D, E. That's for our 5. Now, therefore, my perimeter will now be A plus B plus C plus D plus E. That will be 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. 3 plus 3 is what? 6, 9, 13. That's 18. So my perimeter is what? 18 meter or 18 centimeter or 18 feet. That is my what? My perimeter for, that's the question in kilometer. Now, we have to find the total length of, the question says we should find the total length of 3 kilometer, 464 meter, 8 kilometer, 550 kilometer, 550 meter, and 900 meter rather. Now, before we do anything here, we need to recall how many meter makes 1 kilometer. That's 1,000 meter equals to what? 1 kilometer. So if we are converting from meter to kilometer, we are dividing by what? By 1,000. So the first number we have is what? 3 kilometer. We are asked to find the total length, and we leave our answer in kilometer. Now all the numbers that are not in kilometer, we need to convert them to kilometer. That's 464 divided by what? By 1,000. To do this now, we count 1, 2, 3. So this one will give us 0.464 kilometer. So I bring it here. 0.464 kilometer. The next one is, so we have 8 kilometer. The next one is 550 kilometer, 550 meters. So we have 550. We convert it to kilometer. 1, 2, 3. This one will give give us 0.550 kilometer. Bring it here, 0.550 kilometer. The next one is 900 meter. So we convert it to what? To kilometer. 100, 0, 1, 2. So it will be 0.900 kilometer. Bring it at 0.900 kilometer. Now we've converted everything to what? To kilometer. The next thing we need to do here is to what? Is to what? Add up the number. Let's balance this up. Let's balance the empty space. So 4 plus 0, that's 4. 5 plus 6, that's 11. 5, 10, 19. Move your 1 here, that's 4. Plus this, that will give us 12. So therefore, the total length is 12.914 kilometer. And you can approximate this to be 13 kilometer. Book which costs 24 naira, 24.00 naira, was sold, that's the selling price, was sold for 30 naira. What was the percentage? That's profit percent. Profit percent. That's what they asked us to find. Here we are asked to find what the profit percent. Now before you calculate anything, you need to find the profit of the man. If he bought, the profit will now be selling price minus cost price. He bought something of 24 naira and he sold it for 30 naira. So let's find the profit. 30 minus 24, and that will give us 6. So the man's profit is what? Is 6 naira. Now to find the profit percentage will now be equal to the profit over cost price, everything times 100. The profit is 6 and the cost price is 24 times 100. We can reduce this one here. 2 here is 3, 2 here is 12, 3 here is 1, 3 here is 4. So we are left with 1 over 4 times 100. So we can say 100 over 4. 100 over 4. Let's use our long division method to get our final answer. 4 in 10, that's 2. 2 times 4, that's 8. We break this down, 0. 10 minus 8, that's going to be 2. 4 can go in 25 times. 5 times 4, that's 20. So therefore, my profit percentage equals to 25 naira. That is my profit percentage. Let's move to the next question. This is another aspect of percentage. We have increase percent and decrease percent. When we are increasing, we are adding. When we are decreasing, we are what? Subtracting. Now, how are we going to go about this? We have 8 whole number 1 over 3 divided by what? By 100. Now times the number we want to increase. Now let's find this. 8 times 3. 8 times 3 is going to give us 24 plus 1. That's 25 over 3 divided by what? By 100 times 600. Now let's find 25 divided by 3. Let's find 25 divided by 3. 25 in 3 in 25, that's 8. 8 times 3, that's 24. That's 24, subtract 0. 3 cannot go in 1, put our 0 here. 3 in 10, that's 3. 3 times 3, that's 9. We subtract again, 1. 3 cannot go here. We add 3, 0 again. 3 in 10, that's 3. 3 times 3, that's 9. we have our 1. So in this case now, just put your what? Your infinity sign. That means we'll be having 8.33333. So we just stop at 8.33 divided by 100 times 600. 8.33 divided by 100 times 600. So we can reduce here. So we are left with 8.33 times 6. 6 times 3 will give me 18. Write your 8, remove your 1. 6 times 3, that will give me 18 again. Plus 1, that's 19. Write your 9. You put your points, remove your 1 here. 6 times 8, 48. Plus 1, that's 49. So, therefore, I can approximate this 49 to be 50. Approximately 50 because this 9 is more than 5. So we can approximate it to what to be 50. That will be plus 1 here. That's what we call approximation to be 50. Now, we want to increase. If we are increasing 600 by 8 over 1 over 3%, that means we are going to add this 50 to what? To 600. That will be 600. Increase equals to 600 plus 50. And that will be 650. So we just increase 600 by what? 8 over 1 over 3%. That's the increase. So number 16. Express 0.02 as percentage is this 2 over 100 or 2%. That is that. Number 16. What will be the cost of 54 oranges? So here we can use ratio and proportion method, and we can also use another method anyway. So let's use this. 3 equals to 2 over 54 over x. So here now we just cross multiply. So we have 3x equals to 2 times 54. So 54 times 2. What will that give us? That's 108. So 3x equals to what? 108. Divide us out by the coefficient of x, which is 3. So x equals to, what is the value for 108? Let's use our long division. 3 in 10, that's 3. 3 times 3, that's 9. Bring your 8 down. 8. 1. 3 can go in 18. How many times? 3 can go in 18 6 times. 6 times 3, that's 18. Subtract. Therefore, the cost of 54 oranges. Therefore, the cost of 54 oranges is 36k. Is 36k. That is the cost of 54 oranges. Express 5 over 1 over 2 ratio, 2 over 1 over 2 ratio as ratio of whole number. So when we have this, we first of all change our number to proper or improper fraction. So we have 2 times 5, that's 10 plus this, that's 11 over 2 ratio 2 times 2, that's 4 plus 1, that's 5 over 2. So we can cross multiply here. So we have 2 times 11 ratio 2 times 5. 2 times 11, that will give me 22 ratio 10. 2 can go here, how many times? 2 can go in 22, 11 times, and 2 can go in 10, 5 times. So that is our final answer. Month, that's question 19. Which month was his best fishing period? The man's fishing period is June. His fishing period is June. Why? Why? Because it caught, let's take our graph, it caught almost 50 kilograms of fish in June. Because it caught almost 50 kilograms of fish in June. So his best fishing period is June. Question 20 now. How many kilograms of fish was caught in the month of April and May? April and May. Now, checking our graph, our April is 20 plus our May is 10. So the total amount of fish caught in the month of April and May is 30 kilograms of fish was caught in the month of April and May. Question 21.